Okay, so guys, as you can see here, my baby boa constrictor, is a bit aggressive. I still need to tame her down. You can see her mouth is open, and she is gonna bite. And I just wanted to add this quickly. Oh yeah, and welcome to the video. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. But this is the first time I've seen any aggressive behavior from her. Well, it's not aggressive, it's just defensive behavior. Check that out. But this is the first time I've ever seen it in real life of any snake that I've ever owned. But that's pretty cool. And yeah, she might bite, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. In today's video, we'll be feeding her. This that I'm filming now is actually recorded the day before we are feeding her. We're feeding her tomorrow, and tomorrow that video is coming out. But this is just recorded on Monday instead of Tuesday. But it's just something that I wanted to put in the video of her being a bit defensive. So I need to work with her a lot to calm her down. Look at that mouth. She will definitely bite if you get near her now. But yeah, and oh yeah, so by the way, I'm cleaning my ball python's enclosure, and yes, she is saying hello out of her humidity box. I'm busy cleaning her enclosure. She's the friendliest thing ever, but my baby boa constrictor, not as friendly yet. I still have to work with her, and I've not, I have noticed female boa constrictors usually are a bit more aggressive than males, as far as I'm aware. I don't know if how true this is, but so far, all the research that I've done and handled boa constrictors, females are usually a bit more aggressive than males, but I still wanted a female because I want a big snake. And I don't know why why are females actually more aggressive than males usually. There are some very tame females out there, and all depends on the personality of your specimen. But tomorrow we will be feeding her, and that video will be coming out tomorrow. Looks like she's calming down a bit. She's closing her mouth a bit, but this isn't too good. There she's calming down. She's closing her mouth, so that's good. But I'm gonna actually put something like a blanket just over her enclosure, a dark green blanket, so it will be dark and she will feel comfortable, not see so much movement. But as you can see, she's calmed down now. There's no more aggressive behavior from her. So let's get to feeding tomorrow, but you'll be seeing it in a few seconds. It's for me tomorrow, for you in a few seconds, but we'll do that tomorrow. Okay, so guys, I had to add this into the video because look at that. I know that we are a reptile channel, but look at that. These are baby spiders hatching in our cabin. They're coming out of the egg sac now. That's the egg sac. Look at all of them on that egg sac. Look how cool that is. That's freaking cool. Where's the mother? I saw the mother earlier hanging here on a web. I know which spider species of this spider this is. I know which species it is because I saw the mother, then I thought she was eating something. No, it's an egg sac that she was carrying around with her, not food. But that's freaking cool. And look at the web, look at that. These are daddy long leg spiders, so they really can't do anything to humans. They are, as I've heard, they are venomous. Here's the mother. Yeah, she is. As I've heard, they are venomous, but they cannot pierce skin. So I'm not even scared trying to pick her up. Okay, but I'll leave her alone. I'm gonna close the cabinet back up, so she can be back with her babies. But look at that, that's so cool. Wait, you just let the camera focus. Look at those babies. That's so cool, and I have the hiccups, so yeah, that's not fun, but look at those babies, that's cool. Okay, let's get into the feeding. And guys, before we get to feeding, I just wanted to give you an update on my mice. This is a new clutch of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 babies that I had. Not I had, that one of my mice had. And you can see some of them look like the father. The father looks exactly like that one, of the brown one with the white on top. Then There's a black one with the white spot on top of its head. There's a white one. There's a bunch of different colors and completely black ones, brown ones, white ones, all different colors. And mice, this is my mice breeding population. I have a lot more mice. Let me just quickly show you some. Okay, here I have a female with babies, and here I have a female that had babies today. Her babies were born today. As you can see, she's busy building a nest for the babies. So yeah, I have new baby mice. They don't even have hair yet, those new baby mice. She's making a nest for them, and they're still pinkies at the moment. And I know I'm not supposed to disturb her, but I was cleaning the cage when I lifted up the hide. I saw, oh, she has more babies. So yeah, that was a pleasant surprise. Now she's making a nest. I know she won't abandon them because this is her third time that she's ever had babies. And the second time that she's had babies, I've lifted the hide and touched the babies and she didn't abandon them. So I think she'll do the same this time. And she's already making a nest. Yeah, I have another enclosure. The babies are in that black thing, and the mother is probably also in there. Then here I have these mice, and I have a few adults, maybe 6 or 7 adults outside, which these are big enough to put in with the adults, but they're not fully adults yet. They're about hoppers now, maybe a bit past the hopper stage, but yeah, this is the size of mouse that I'll be feeding to my boa constrictor, because adult is a bit too big for it. These hoppers should be perfect. They're a bit bigger than hoppers, but they're about hoppers, so this size should be perfect for my boa constrictor. Because if I look at the mice like this, it's about the same thickness as my boa constrictor, maybe a bit thicker than I'd like, but I don't have any mice that are small that are the perfect size for my boa constrictor at the moment. I only have these mice, and then I have pinkies. I have 2 clutches of pinkies at the moment, about 15 or 16 pinkies, but pinkies, they don't even have hair yet, so they're way too small for her, and adults are a bit too big, so this is the best size to feed her at the moment that I have. I'm gonna put these in with the adults, then we'll get to feeding a bit later today. And quick disclaimer to this video, we will be feeding live mice in this video. One to my boa constrictor and one to my ball python. Sometimes I give my ball python 2, sometimes I give her 1. The last 2 weeks I've given her 2 every week, but now I'm only gonna give her 1 because in the last 2 weeks she has had 2, and I don't want to have a fat ball python. I need to switch her over to rats. That's gonna be a very difficult mission, but she's getting to that size where it's not really good for her to feed mice anymore. But I'm also then gonna have to start breeding with rats, and yeah, we'll be doing that. Quick disclaimer, this is just the disclaimer, so that if you don't like seeing mice eaten, then you should probably click off this video. I will be killing the mice before I feed them in a humane way, so that they cannot harm my snakes, so that they cannot bite them or scratch them or anything. And it's also better for the mouse if I kill them before the time in a humane way, so that they don't feel the pain of the snake biting and squeezing them, so they're dead before the time. It's better for the mouse and for the snake, and it makes me feel better, so that I know my snake isn't getting bitten by a mouse or something. So I'm not sure if the boa constrictor, Lucy is her name, I'm not sure if she will eat pre-killed. I will try that, and I'm not even sure if she'll eat the first time. If she doesn't eat, that mouse will not go to waste. Then I'll give it to my ball python, then my ball python scores, then she gets 2 mice this week instead of 1, so then she's a very lucky ball python. So yeah, I will also be doing a time lapse of that, and I forgot to charge my phone. So while I'm filming, my phone, here's the cord, is actually on charge. So, but I'm definitely gonna put this video out today. It's Tuesday and I have to upload a video today. Now I'm quickly washing this bowl for my ball python. I'm gonna put it in boiling water to make sure all the germs and everything are gone from the previous mice she's eaten. Then I'm gonna feed my boa constrictor Lucy in this, put it back in the boiling water, then put my ball python in here, and then feed her. You don't have to put them in bowls like this. I just prefer to do it. I don't really know why, but I just do it. So yeah, this is just a quick disclaimer. If you don't like seeing stuff like this, click off this video in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be trying to feed her this mouse, hoping she eats. If she doesn't eat, that's a problem. She eats. She ate. I'm gonna make a time lapse of this now, but I'm very happy she ate on the first attempt, and the mouse is still kicking a bit, but don't worry, it can't bite her or anything. And yeah, I'm gonna make a time lapse of this now. Okay guys, so this is the second snake I'm gonna be feeding, and I'm just shaking the mouse. It's pre-killed. Let me just get her attention. There, she got it. Okay guys, sorry about the time lapse of my ball python eating and of my boa constrictor eating. Those didn't come out really good, and also the update on my mice. I know they didn't come out really good, but next week I'll do two better time lapses that I will make sure they come out good. My phone was leaning a bit to the side on the tripod and they came out like that, so sorry about that guys. Next week I'll do two better time lapses, and just stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like on this video. I'm gonna Google now how to turn my comments on, and if my comments are on the when you're seeing this video, leave a comment and subscribe, share this video, leave a like, and I will see you in it's not next week, it's Friday, so in 2 days. I'll see you in the next video.